Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to charge your headphones Sony MX5. But first, like, share and subscribe to see more helpful content. So first of all, let's find out when it is time to charge your headphones. To do this, you need to be connected by Bluetooth to your phone. So the first method is by the app Sony Headphones Connect, and you can see in the app it by yourself. But the second way I will show you is manually with your headphones. So you need to take your headphones and press on the power button and you will hear the sound.
Battery about 70%.
As you can see, there is the voice that indicates the battery percentage. So let's move on to the next question, how to charge your headphones Sony. So first of all, let's find our USB charging connector on the right headphone. We need to put the lightning in there. And the second part of the lightning we need to put in the charging mode. Now, as you can see, the indicator blinks orange. That means that our headphones are charging now. But if it stops blinking of any color, that will mean that your headphones are fully charged. And for the additional information, it is necessary to charge your headphones before the first use and when you see that this indicator blinks orange. That will mean that your battery percentage is under the 10%. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.